Hi Beth, happy birthday. Before I say anything else, gagawin mo na kitang artista ngayon. So ito yung mga gusto bumati sa'yo. Enjoy the show!
Hi Beth! We wish you happy birthday! Thanks sa lahat-lahat.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Hello,
We
Ben.
miss you.
Happy birthday!
Sana magkita-kita na tayo uli. At syempre, pasalubong, tsokolate.
Hi, Beth. Happy golden na pala. I wish you all the best and as always, maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam ko, surprise ka. Lalaki na ng aking mga apo. Soon, I'm sure magkakaapo ka na rin. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you soon. And I think this is the time to say we love you so much and we wish you happiness and hindi lang sa'yo, pati sa family mo. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dahil hindi kayo nakakalimot sa amin. So, Erin, batiin mo, Tita Beth.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth.
Elia.
I love you.
Elia, ikaw. Come on, ikaw lang. Happy birthday! Go!
Happy birthday, Tita Beth! Happy birthday, Tita Beth! Thank you sa lahat!
Hi, ate! Happy 50th birthday! Ikaw?
Cecil!
Hi Te, happy birthday. Wish ko na lang good health and sana bigyan ka pa nito ng mahabang buhay. Tsaka salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at pagmamalasak sa amin ni Kalo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Paano? Tapos na? Bye-bye! Gano'n kayo?
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Thank you sa lahat. Miss you.
So it's my moment to shine. Happy birthday again. From the bottom of my heart, you're really such a great cousin, not just by blood, but really by heart. And we are really happy now you are part of our family. And I really want to take this opportunity to thank you and tell the people that we've been great cousins, like since I was high school. We really got close when she was my ticket para makalabas sa gabi. So, and we were able to share our friends. Nagkaroon kami ng common friends, common likes, music, dancing. So yun, sobrang saya lang talaga. And no dull moments for Beth. She's a girl with a lot of smiles. Iba't ibang klaseng smile. Smile ng sobrang saya. Yung mamamatay sa kakatawa. Yung smile na, alam mo yun, yung parang sarcastic. Parang gusto niya sabihin, ano sinasabi mo? And then yung smile na galit na, humingiti na lang, siguro kagat-kagat niya yung dila niya para wala na siyang masabi pa. So really nakakatuwa yung bonding moments namin and sobrang saya lang ng memories and thank you for considering me na pumunta dyan on your birthday. I feel really special and yun nga lang, darating tayo sa time na yun and it will come sana lang before my visa expires on 2017. So enjoy your day, enjoy your birthday. I love you from the bottom of my heart and uminom ka naman, huwag naman yung puro kwento lang, ha? Love you.